Ever notice how Filipino parents rarely say, "I love you"? But you still feel it every single day. In the rich tapestry of Filipino culture, there exists a unique dynamic within families. A dynamic deeply rooted in unspoken affection and love that may not always be explicitly verbalized. The saying that actions speak louder than words is particularly evident in the way Filipino parents express love for their children. While the phrase, "I love you," may not be frequently uttered, the sentiment is undeniably felt through everyday actions and gestures. In the Philippines, familial relationships are anchored in a tradition of implicit understanding and silent expressions of care. Filipino parents often demonstrate their love through what may seem like ordinary activities. Preparing food, for instance, is more than a daily routine. It is an act infused with affection. Offering the best part of a dish to their children, even if they themselves go without, is an unspoken declaration of love. Providing an education, often at great personal sacrifice, underscores a commitment to their children's future. Furthermore, respect and obedience are highly valued in Filipino households, serving as a framework through which love is conveyed. Parents' gentle reminders of the importance of utang na loob, or debt of gratitude, reflect the deep-rooted bonds of family loyalty and care. Such values emphasize actions over words, fostering an environment where love is constant yet subtle. Some might wonder how children perceive this love in the absence of verbal affirmations. Interestingly, within this culture, children are adept at recognizing and interpreting these silent signals. They find reassurance in their parents' unwavering support and sacrifices, understanding that these gestures are expressions of unconditional love. In conclusion, while Filipino parents may seldom vocalize "I love you," their love resonates through countless acts of devotion and care. It is a love taught from generation to generation, creating a profound familial bond that extends beyond the need for words. Through these dedicated actions, Filipino parents ensure that their affection is always felt, making "I love you" not just words but a heartfelt experience. So while "I love you" may be rare, its echo lives in every gesture, passed from parent to child, generation to generation. Because in the Filipino home, love doesn't need to be spoken. It's cooked, carried, and lived. Tag someone raised on unspoken love and follow at Isla Intellect for more stories that feel like home.